Hello all, this is Rajalakshmi, Assistant Professor MBA from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this lecture video, we will see what is organization structure and design. So what is organization structure? So organization structure is a diagram which shows the jobs, specialization, hierarchy level, etc. The main use of this organization structure is that we can know what work they should do, or how their work supports or to the employees whom they have to report to, and the designation levels. It's all mentioned in this organization structure. The elements that make the organization structure are work specialization, departmentalization, chain of command, span of control, centralization, decentralization, and formalization. First element is work specialization. So work specialization is the degree to which tasks in the organization are subdivided into separate jobs. That is, the employees are splitted into projects based on their specialization. Like some may be technically specialized, some may be specialized in word of mouth. Likewise, based on their specialization, employees are split into the departments like marketing, system, finance, etc. Second element is the departmentalization. So the basis by which jobs are grouped together, like a person related to sales, advertisements, they all comes under marketing. Then the person working in auditing department, etc., they comes under finance department. And who designs a product, or who's making use of this ads, these people comes under system department. So based on their jobs, based on their function, they are segmented into one group that is known as this departmentalization. Next is chain of command. So this chain of command, it is a system for passing instructions and reporting within an organization. We all know, we have some line or a line of authority where we want to report to. We cannot directly go and approach the higher authority. We supposed to follow some line in order to report our tasks or etc. or something. So that is the chain of command, the unbroken line of authority. We cannot able to break this line. We have to follow this line in order to report or in order to pass information, etc. Next is unity of command. Unity of command is that subordinate should have only one supervisor to whom or she is directly responsible. It is self-explanatory. Like, we should not go to higher authority without the knowledge of our own immediate supervisor. Next is span of control. So span of control is that the number of subordinates a manager can efficiently or effectively direct. Like it regulates the number of direct reporters managed by a single supervisor. Like it depends on aforementioned elements of organization structure. You need to evaluate your leader's capacity, workplace size, and experience level of employees. Next is centralization and decentralization. Centralization is that it gives the leader ultimate control over decision making process, while decentralization allows employees to take decisions themselves rather than depending on the higher authorities. Next is formalization. So formalization is that the standard they follow inside the organization, that is mentioned the organization structure and design. That is the degree to which jobs within the organization are standardized. That is formalization. The factors that influence organization structure are strategy, organization size, technology, and environment. Strategy, as we all know, the functions we use to meet our vision, mission, that's all comes under the strategy, like innovation, introducing new offerings, organic, cost minimization, cost control. To achieve these measures, we follow some functions or we follow some guidelines, that is known as the strategy. Next is organization size. Whether the organization is a big organization, whether it is an MNC or it is a small organization. So that is the organization size. Next is technology. So the technology that the organization uses many technologies. One organization is not same as the other in technology wise. Whether some may be more updated based on the organization size, based on its function. So technology can be decided based on that. Next is environment. So environment lead to organization structures, where the organization is working, whether it serves to a maximum extent or whether it is serving within an a small economy. That's all comes under that environment factor. So 7 types of organization structures are there. First is functional structure. This is the basic structure that groups employees in different departments by work specialization. Like we see here, marketing, production, sales, human resources, finance, these are all the departments by work specialization. So a common head CEO is there. The departments marketing, production, sales, human resource, finance, these departments has to report only one authority, that is CEO. So this is a basic structure where there are where they follow simple hierarchy level. They don't have many hierarchy level. Only one level is there. Based on the work specialization, they separate this structure known as functional structure. Second one is divisional structure. We can see the hierarchy level is little more when compared to this functional structure. So in divisional structure, employees around a common product or a geographical region, they comes under this structure. So each divisions, they follow a specific structure where it is not related to other division or other location. Next one is matrix structure. So as you all know what is matrix, it is a combination of rows and columns. Likewise in this structure, matrix structure, team members report to several managers at once. Like here you can see product manager A and product manager B. He is supposed to report all the heads in engineering, marketing, sales, manufacturing, quality control, and also to the chief CEO, chief executive officer. They do not follow one authority or one line of command, but they have to report to the different set of leaders. That is matrix structure. Next is team structure. So team structure, that creates small teams that focus on delivering one product or service. So this is suitable for small organizations where when they serve for only one product or one service, this structure may be applicable to those organizations. Next one is network structure. Network structure is a we can see it as the name indicates, network structure. It is purely online, whether the employees will not meet face to face, but they will be meeting virtual and they will report to the managers in virtual form. Next is hierarchical structure. Hierarchical structure is that they have complex hierarchy. They follow some complex line of command. The employees cannot directly meet the CEO until they the immediate supervisors are not available. You can see the line or a branch is complex in this type of hierarchical structure. This is followed in big size organizations. Last one is flat organizational structure. As we saw in first structure, functional structure, this organization structure is similar to that of culture, where only few middle managers between employees and top managers will be there. This structure requires less supervision, increase employee involvement, and boost trust in the workplace. It is very simple, and it is used for small business and startups, where they monitor their employees directly, and there requires very less